All right, so let's discuss what are Cartesian coordinates. So as we move into the chapters that actually talk about graphs and uh, functions and relationships and then stuff like that, then we actually talk about the concept of Cartesian coordinates. So let's discuss what are coordinates. So coordinates are like whenever you have a space, you have a two-dimensional or three-dimensional space, and you want to find the location of a particular point in that space. For example, in this like the screen that you can see right now, uh, and there's a point on that screen, and you want to know where that point is. So you can actually, uh, you know, define various methods in order to locate this point. One of them is to draw a grid. For example, you can first of all, have a grid like this. So you make a box like around that, uh, around the point that we are actually interested in finding the location of, right? So we are interested in finding the location of this point P, for example. And what we can do is, for example, we can draw some lines here. Let me draw some lines. So I can draw some lines here like this. Okay, I'm just trying my best to draw some straight lines. They might not be that straight. And then I just need to draw some vertical lines as well, right? So I'm actually trying to make a grid here that consists of some horizontal lines and some vertical lines. Okay, that would do. So then what I need to do is label this grid. So I can just label this, point right at the bottom left as 0, and then I can go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. And so just like that on the horizontal, direction. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And now, as I can see, the point P lies right here, and I can just tell that, okay, in the horizontal direction, you just need to go 6 steps because it lies on the line that is right on this number 6. And in the vertical direction, it lies on the line that actually, uh, passes through this number 5. So I can say that in the horizontal direction, you can go 6 steps, and in the vertical direction, you can go 5 steps. So this would be a way to locate my point P. So I won't just have to say, yeah, you just need to go somewhere around that area, or, I would actually run out of words in order to describe the location of this point P. But once I have this grid system, I can actually, locate the point P easily. So I just need to label these horizontal and vertical directions, and we usually in mathematics call these axes, and the horizontal axis is usually called x-axis and the vertical axis is called y-axis, and we can just represent the location of any point by just making a grid, and then we just need to see that how many steps we need to go into the x direction, that's the 6 steps, and how many steps we need to go into the y direction, that's 5 steps. So 6 comma 5 would be the location of this point. So this is also called the coordinate of point P, which is 6 comma 5. So 6 steps into the x direction and 5 steps into the y direction. So that's the concept of Cartesian coordinate system.